Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create a Temo seller account and start earning. So let's get started. Make sure you have a Temo account, then log in. Once logged in, go to the Account Center. Click on your account. Tap the support icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap Contact Us. In the chat box, type Start Selling. The system will guide you to contact the merchandise team for further steps. If needed, type I want to talk to a human. A support agent will assist you with you. Follow their instructions to complete your seller account setup. That's it. Now you know how to create a Temo seller account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.